Hi, my name is Jermaine Rawlings, and here's the story of how my grandmother's macaroni and cheese got me on TV. I'm a self-taught private chef, and I own and operate a company called Frat Boy Cuisines. I never thought I was going to be a chef. Somehow I just fell into this. I'm originally from Maryland. I grew up in a family where literally everyone in the house cooks. I went to college at Bowie State University. Upon graduating, I commissioned as an officer in the United States Air Force, and I managed to get stationed out in Los Angeles Air Force Base. Moving out to LA and being so far away from my family, I really missed the food, specifically my grandmother's macaroni and cheese. Man, this is one thing that I just always remember growing up. We'd have it on special occasions, holidays. When I was a kid, I probably put on about 20 pounds because of Grams. All that good food she would make us, it really sticks to your ribs. Seeing as though I didn't want to have to fly all the way back to Maryland, I gave her a phone call, and luckily she was willing to give me the recipe. The thing that makes my grandmother's macaroni and cheese different from, say, what you get from a restaurant or some other places is the texture. It's not too loose, but it's not too stiff. She has those crispy edges around the outside that everyone fights for. All that wrapped into one dish just really takes things to the next level. I taught myself how to make it, and I feel like I really accomplished something. I felt like I was at home. I could get something that I knew and loved whenever I wanted to. I figured I could pretty much do anything. From there, I started venturing out and trying other things. Being stationed out here, you run into a lot of people in the military who don't have a place to go for like Thanksgiving, and me just loving to be around my family, I can understand how that could be something that's difficult for somebody to be alone for the holidays. Living in LA, I just started hosting a Friendsgiving every year. It's good to get people together. They're gonna eat, they're gonna drink, and everybody's happy. At Thanksgiving, when I had all my friends over, the macaroni and cheese was always a hit. So from there, I'm like, well, hey, let's start throwing more parties. Something that got really big were our Caribbean nights. And in my Caribbean nights, I specifically would make this curry chicken. Good curry chicken will just hug you. It's so comforting, it's so warming. It really makes you feel at home and just makes you feel good. So now I call it No Hurry Curry Chicken. I realized I had a little ego. I'm like, all right, so this is my thing now. After I got out of the Air Force, I enrolled in USC into a program called the MBV program. They want to teach people how to, start a business. Halfway through attending grad school is when I auditioned for the show MasterChef. I was this close to making it on the show, but I didn't make it. I realized that maybe I do have a talent. It was my passion, I enjoyed doing it. From there, Frat Boy Cuisines was born. And MasterChef wasn't the last chance I had to be on a cooking show. One day my friend reached out to me on Facebook and said I should try out for this show on Food Network called Tailgate Battles. Tailgate Battles is a show where they take the ultimate tailgaters and have them compete against each other. I took my grandmother's macaroni and cheese, and then I added jerk chicken with a mango habanero sauce on there. I thought that it would really wow the judges. One of the judges actually has a Caribbean food truck. So when he came there, he was like, oh man, you really want to give me jerk chicken when this is what I do? And they really loved it.
Your grandmama taught you right. This mac and cheese is on point.
The competition was tough, and I made it to the top 3. I didn't win that one, but hey, they were definitely thoroughly impressed in the dish I prepared. My grandmother was super excited that I used her macaroni and cheese, and she was really happy, really proud. My goal is to open up my own restaurant where it has a lot of finger foods, a great vibe, something that people can really enjoy. I don't know what the future holds, but I do know I love cooking, and I'm gonna see how far that takes me.